teach me, Master, Master, teach me, or I would not live a liar. Oh, teach me how to wait. I'll tell you the reason why.
Just as they've mentioned, because I'm not a Travis Perkins employee, as you can tell by the beautiful bright pink t-shirt, I represent Fudgelearn, who are your training partner, or training partner. And I'm the training lead and private learning lead. If you haven't yet seen me in one of the breakout sessions cover, kind of the levels of training that you might have. So depending on your role, actually your involvement with Oracle, or the level of knowledge that you need of Oracle might differ. So for example, I was speaking to people from commercial, and they were saying, we're going to continue to use POS. We just need this overview, awareness, kind of what's happening, what's in Oracle, what's staying where it is, that kind of thing. So that's where I describe a level 1 training need. So for those types of training requirements, we would maybe have some overview videos, and that could just be the weighted average cost video that some people have already seen. The next level of training requirement would be process level training, where it's role specific knowledge. And that could be for branch managers, etc., who need to be able to do processes in Oracle. They're relatively simple. Distinguish between a level 2 and a level 3 training need would be that actually not everything they do day in, day out will be Oracle. They're using other systems, and actually they have other things to do. Whereas your level 3 training need would be your professional user communities, the people in finance, such as you love themselves, who will every day be logging into Oracle to be doing your job. And the anticipation is that we will try and get those videos out 8 weeks prior to go live, so that you've got lots of time to engage with those video content in a time to suit them as well. We understand that people out in branch don't have lots of time, so there'll be short, bite-sized videos on how to do these new processes that they can engage with as and when they like. We will also have quick reference guides made available, because there are still some people who will want a piece of paper to refer to. Those interactive training sessions will allow the finance users to get hands-on with the system. It's really important for you to be able to practice and to have exercises that are relevant for your role. There'll be a number of different scenarios, regardless of your role, cover all brands, all business units, and you will have those hands-on exercises to get the opportunity to not only see those processes end to end, but actually do them. So depending on your training needs, which we've done this training needs analysis, we hope and we have validated with the programme and with the business that we have developed some training modules or various different methods of training to suit your level of interaction. And that's your Oracle training in a nutshell.
Come on.